Hello, it's the Legend of Zelda Wind Waker bloopers. I mean, Twilight Princess bloopers. Sorry about that. Season 1, Episode 2. Today we find our hero trapped in this chicken coop. Okay. Hey, would you like to buy some chickens? To eat? No, to play with. How are you exactly supposed to play with me? Just be quiet and buy for your chicken! I mean, would you like to buy a chicken? Ah, screw it. Sound like you're constipated, man. Sheesh. Come here, chicken. God dang it, give me a chicken. I don't care, I'll fly anyway. It's a whole new world. Whee! Got some rupees. Got some rupees. La 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 la. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out! I don't want you flying on my legs! What's wrong with you, chicken? You're supposed to be flying here. No, no, no. I'm just trying to drop you in the leg. Don't drop me. Don't drop me! What's wrong with you, chicken? I gotta get out of here. Hello, would you like to get out of this dying lake? 10 rupees? That's more than... screw it. Okie dokie. So how do I get out? Just go in! Hey! What's going on? Who turned out the lights? Hey! That music sucks! Wait! Don't blast me! What the heck? What the flip? What's going on? Ow! I'm in this cannon! Ouch! Uh-oh. Don't tell me I'm gonna... Now where am I? Don't tell me. Ah, crap! Okay, now we're in like a mine, I think. Ooh, pretty fire. Well, good thing I bring my shield, so this fire doesn't hurt me. Even though it's wooden, it should do me well, because this wooden is very special. La 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 la. Take that. Take that. Ow! My face. Gonna need my iron boots for this. What? Now go. Oh, my face. My face. Ah, my beautiful face. Ow, ow, my face. I'm not gonna die yet. It's too young. I'm too young to die. Ah. What are you? I got my windshield, so I won't die and all. You wanna go? You wanna go? Whoa! Ah, birds! Ah! 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 Oh my gosh. This is sucking. Ah! Ah! Okay, let's do this. Gotta put on some cool techno music. Let's go! No! I'm not gonna die yet. a minute. It's the final countdown. Oh, my face. Oh. I got a windshield. It'll protect me. It'll protect me. Well, it might. How did I end up in that place? I got lost 50 feet. I don't want to go through all this. Ow. Ow. This sucks. Okay, here goes attempt number, I don't know, but I'm gonna make it. I got a windshield. Your shield burned up. Oh, snap. Well, I still have a sword. Oh, 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 I'm on fire, oh my gosh, I'm on fire! Oh! Hey, what's up? I'm a big giant macho guy and I like to kill people. Do you want to be killed? I'll crack your big drums, rip them out, and I'll crack my tongue. I can beat you. I can beat you. I can beat you. Ah! Kids, this is going to get very violent. Censor! Oh! Ah, my ribs! He's putting me in the oven! He's putting me in the oven! Ah! Oh, he didn't even put a stuffing in it. Ah! 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 No, get me out! Goodbye, everyone. It's the last day you'll see Link as Yoshi Fresh Jr. in his bloopers using his last video making Windows Movie Maker. Hey, I'm not using that! You liar! Oh well, I'm gonna suicide! I don't want to make any more videos. You have to! You're my co-worker! Seriously? What the... Ah! Ah!